In front of me is Realme GT6, and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Then choose All Services, select Autofill, Autofill with Google, and finally Google Passwords Manager. Now tap on any password that you wish to edit, enter your screen lock and use Edit button. Now type in wherever you want to and hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!